Hey designers, today we're creating a glitchy text animation. Let's dive in. Start by using the text tool to write your text. Align it vertically and horizontally in the composition. Next, search for typewriter in Effects and Presets. Apply it to your text layer with a double click. Play it to see the effect. Now, search for VHS flicker effect in Effects and Presets. Apply this effect to your text layer as well. Play it again to see your glitchy effect. You can adjust settings to tweak the animation. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.